Well, the row over Himachal Pradesh masjid that has now intensified with protests taking place, the issue that has now taken a new shape now. With Union Minister Giriraj Singh has come out and batted for NRC, the debate that has now once again begun when it comes to endorsing NRC to be conducted across the country. This has now triggered a political face-off. Speaking to Times Now, the Union Mantri cited Himachal Pradesh minister saying that the number of footpath shopkeepers that have also increased in Shimla, who are apparently Rohingyas and Bangladeshis illegal immigrants. Now pushing for a pan-India NRC, Giriraj Singh is questioning Rahul Gandhi on whether he still opposes or supports this exercise.
मैं राहुल गांधी से पूछूंगा, राहुल गांधी, अब तो एनआरसी पर जब विषय उठता है तो आप चिल्लाते हो मुसलमानों के लिए, क्या अब तो सही मानोगे? अब एनआरसी बांग्लादेश रोहिंग्या घुसपैठियों को लेकर के जो विषय उठा है, ये केवल हिमाचल का विषय नहीं है। हिमाचल में तो एनआरसी होना ही चाहिए मंत्री के मुताबिक। मैं तो कहता हूं कि पूरे देश में एनआरसी होनी चाहिए।
Well, in the meantime, let's also talk about when it comes to the protest that has been taking place on ground. The pictures they're running on your screens as far as the protests that were witnessed yesterday, there have been reported today as well, security that has been significantly beefed up. And even when it comes to the call for a pan-India NRC, the push that is being made by Union Minister Giriraj Singh. But here, when it comes to in the assembly as well, the matter that was raised on part of who allowed the construction of this mosque, where what is being said that it is a construction which is illegal. Now, amidst the political drama, the security that has been beefed up, we talk about when it comes to the mosque that is situated, Sanjoli Mosque in Shimla, massive demonstrations that have been taking place. Let's in the meantime talk about how the state government has been reacting.
एनआरसी का जो प्रकरण है वो पिछले समय में भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपना रुख बड़ा स्पष्ट किया और मैं समझता हूँ एनआरसी के मामले पर अभी सदन में बहस होनी है, चर्चा होनी है, तो वक्तव्य हमारी पार्टी का भी नेताओं का आएगा और अपनी बात को सदन में रखेंगे। क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा ये उस समय तय किया जाएगा।
Now, with reactions coming in over this mosque, the massive demonstrations, as we talk about, has been taking place. Let's quickly take a look at the ground report. Heavy security that could be also seen as not many people are allowed to go very near to this mosque.
You can see that the police has been deployed. The police has been deployed here. This is the entrance point of the masjid, and the police have beefed up the security in the entire area, not only nearby masjid, so that at least the mob should not come here. The people should avoid unnecessarily visiting to this mosque, which is in the middle of the controversy. And in fact, if my camera person can just come here, follow me and come here, so that we can establish the visuals that which is the way moving towards towards the mosque. And this is the mosque, and in fact which upper flows from where we yesterday we are reporting from this site only. So you can see that some floors of this mosque has been allegedly quoted illegal constructed, and that is the reason the security has been beefed up. Yesterday a massive protest has been taken place in this area, and Hindu outfits and the locals have alleged that some people outsiders are staying here, and in fact due to which there is a lot of situation is not under control. So if my camera person can show you, and in fact this is the route, this is the way towards the gate of masjid, and the security has been beefed up here just because there is no such orders from the side of administration or the police that the entry or the movement of the people has been banned here, just to on the precautionary measures to avoid the mass level movement in this area. So this police has been deployed here.
As the deployment on the ground that you've been witnessing over these massive protests that has been called in, what is being said that there are Karyakartas from the BJP, from other certain right-wing organizations as well who are part of these demonstrations and calling for a demolition of what they have been calling it as an illegal construction. Meanwhile, when it comes to the protest that has been taking place, yesterday it was reported and today as well,